Hello guys, welcome back to my another video of Linux tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to read the file with the help of head and tail command. So first I want to tell you why we have head and tail command. There is already cat command to read the file. So this is because head and tail command give more features like we can read one line or more than one line. So head command is used to read the file from the starting and it is by default so you print you the 10 line from the starting, but we can read more than that with the some option, but by default it will print the 10 line only from the starting. And similarly tail command also print the 10 line but from the bottom of that files. So this is what head and tail do. So let me open my terminal. So let me zoom it and I will move into the desktop directory. So I have one file here with name file.txt. So let me type cat command to read the file. So cat command will in previous video I had shown you how to use cat command. So cat command only print all the line and it will be exit from there. So it is printing all the line and showing whatever the data in the file. So it will show all the data at once. So but I need to see the only 10 line, like I have to read the first 10 line from the starting. From the starting I need 10 line to read that. So what I will do, so what is going on, so type here head and with the file name, so press enter, type here head command and the file name and press enter. So you can see here it is printing the 10 line from the starting. So let me use the less command to show you that from the starting. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9. So you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So from starting it will print the 10 line. So and you can also view the tail file.txt to see the tail line from the bottom. So tail command what it will do, it will print the line tail line from the bottom of the file. So press enter. So you can see here it is printing the line but it is printing from the bottom. So it will print the line from the bottom but it will print the 10 line. So by default head and tail command will print the 10 line only, and head command will print from the starting of the file and tail command will print from the bottom of the file. So now with head and tail some option is used. So now I am going to show you one by one. So let me, I have requirement that I have to read more than 10 line. So in that case we use -n option to read the more than one line and it is specified that n. So let me enter 15. I want to read 15 line from the starting and mention the file name file.txt. So I am not writing a file.txt and I had pressing the tab button to auto complete this. You can also, if one file is there, then you can press tab button, or you can write the first character then press tab, so it will be auto complete. So here head -n is used to give the line number, how much line you want. So I want 15 line and press enter. So you can see here the line number is increases from 10 to 15. So this is showing the 15 line from the starting. Head will always show the content data from the starting of the file. So it is printing 15 line. And if you want to decrease the line from 10 to 5, 10 to 5 line. So press 5 here, -n, press 5 and the file.txt. So it will show you the first 5 line from the starting. So now let me show you the with the tail command. So similarly tail command option n have, so to increase and decrease the line number. So let me type here 15 and the file.txt. So what I am doing, tail command with -n option and it will increase the line from 10 to 15 and it will print the 15 line from the bottom of the file. You can see here at the bottom of the file it is printing the 15 line. It is increasing from bottom to up. but head is what is head doing, from top to down it is increasing. So let me decrease the line. So if I type here 3, press enter, you can see here it is printing the 3 line. From the bottom it is printing, see at the when I press 15 it is showing the 15 line. So whatever data at the bottom 3 line it is showing here, only 3 line it is showing. So this tell with -n option to increase and decrease the line is used. So now next option I am going to show you is, so let me type tell and the file name. So let me, I have requirement that I have to read the some character from the bottom. Let me, I have to read this. So to read this there is option -c and pass the number. So let me, I have to read the 1 2 3 4 5. So if you have requirement to read from the bottom with the tell command the character, and whatever number you will give, one number you have to increase and you have to give add, like here I have to read 5 character, then you have to give 6 number. If I have to read 4, then you have to give 5. So with the file name, so you can see here I have given file 5, so it is showing me 4 character. So one character is excluding from this. So -c is used to print the character. So tell, what tell will we do? Tell will print the character from the bottom, and with that we can use head command -c. So let me here type 3, press enter. You can see here printing the 1 2 3. So I have passed here 3, so it is printing 1 2 3. If I pass head file dot, you can see here at the first line the data is 1 2 3 4 5 6, but when I use -c it is printing the 1 2 3 only. If I use -c 1, so it will print the 1 character. See at the bottom it is printing the 1. So this option is used to print the -c option is used to print the character. So now I am going to show you one option with tell command, that is -f. So what -f will do? So I have written here tell with -f and file.txt. Press enter. You can see here in this case the tell command print the 10 line from the bottom, and it is not existing from this tell command, not existing, it is waiting some here. See here cursor is blinking, not existing. So this is because if this option is used to see the file continuously, it will see the this file continuously. If any data is appended at the last, then immediately print that data. So if I append any data in this file.txt, so what tell command will do? It will print that line immediately, it will print. So let me show you with, then you will understand. So for this I have to open I have to open one more terminal. So this is my second terminal. So let me move into the desktop directory. So ls file.txt. So in my previous video I had shown you how to append any data into the file with the echo command. So type here echo, and now I am going to type here with in double quotes. And if you use echo command with single greater than sign, then this will do overwrite all the things which is in file.txt, and it will be overwrite and it will insert the word. What data you are inserting, it will be inserted, but it will be overwrite. If you want to append that data, you have to use double greater than sign, and after that mention the file.txt file name. So see here when I press enter, so it is inserted one more data into that file. So now the line will be increases 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So you can see it is increases one line. At previous it is showing the hello, at the hello only. Now I have inserted the word at the last, so it is showing that only. So if I insert one more time some data, it will be again append, and it will be at the instant time it will show, at immediately it will show what the data is inserted. So press enter. When I will press enter, it will be inserted here. So you can see. So see here, at the before it is word, now it is inserted record. So this is used to continuously see the file, some data inserted in that file or not. So this is most used in when the analyzing the log file. So in my later video I will show you how to view the log file. So in that case it is most used. So to analyze the log file, some error is happened or not. So this is used at there. So from here to quit, press Ctrl plus C to quit from this. So the data will be inserted, but it will be not removed. So you can also type here tail with the file name. You can see here word and record, the data will be inserted, appended. So to know more about the head and tail command, you can visit the man page of that. Type man with the head command. So like this it will be open. So see here at the top of this it is showing the head output, the first part of the file, and here it is showing the synopsis, how to use that. So here it is showing the 3 dots with option, and with the file it is showing the 3 dots. You can see here, this is if you want to use more option with that command and more file with that command, you can also use with head command more than one option, more than one file you can use. At here it is showing the description, print the 10 line from the file to standard output, as well as showing the many option here which I had shown you. -C to print the character, new line, Q per bus. So it is like that. So if you want to see the man page of the tail command, then type here man and tail, press enter. So it will show you the manual of the tail command out. So it is showing the output, the last part of the file, and the tail, how to use the tail command. So I had shown you how to use the tail command. So print the last 10 line from the each file to standard output. So this what I have shown you. So I think head command and tail command is clear to you. So I hope you like this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any queries or doubt related to this video, you can ask in comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.